Hi, so in the last video, we mentioned that we are going to upload the data of the sensor to the cloud. For uploading that data to the cloud, I have selected this particular cloud that's called Blynk. It's a very nice service for setting up the quick prototypes. So once you create an account on Blynk, this is where you will be led to, and you can create two free devices on it, right? Okay, so first thing first, for creating a device, you need to have a template. So let's create our first template. Let's name it DHT project template M, and then we select the hardware which we are going to use, and then we're also going to select the type of connection we are going to use to connect to internet. In our case, that's Wi-Fi. Okay, then you need to add two things. First is the data stream. So basically there is a concept of virtual pins on Blynk, that is the pins to which you're going to put the data into, and that is going to be used as a stream, and we are going to link that stream to a dashboard widget to get the good GUI. Let's name it temperature. Okay, and the value is going to be double, and the maximum value in our case can be maximum 100. Let's create it. After you go to the web dashboard and select the appropriate dash GUI kind of a widget for it. So in our case, I guess this is enough. Let's select it to the data stream of temperature. Once you do that, you're good to go with the setup on the server end or the cloud end, right? And the next thing is going to be related to creating a device. So let's create a new device. Click on template, select the template, that is DHT project template, hit the click button, and here you have the new device setup with one widget, right? This is the information which we are going to use in the code to link to this particular uh, device on the cloud. That is for this video. Thank you very much. And in the next video, we're going to set up the code on the embedded hardware end.